Some people have a bag of things for share with you. Me have a life with Dan them and Destiny and a youth we come out and say him and Dowey did that. Seeing also have a life where them a talk about how RT boss run with all of the people them from run bling. Who know the over fame thing gone. You see me I say, and people, me I wonder, more ask that question here. How them love put bottom pan doing him so? Because a youth come out what here, as me say, you know what I mean, and say man do it whatever. Now him and Destiny depend the life my people. You see me I say, and I want to know hear what them I say, because even Destiny I say a long time this go on and him been talk about it long time. Even Queenie confirm say yeah Destiny did that talk about it. You see me? So I want to know how them I put that on the G name so and nobody now like have nothing for say, because when I go hear them ask this person yeah, for some receipt or anything, and you go hear what that person yeah, say. Also my people, Rosealee and this youth here when name King something another kick off. You see me I say, because of what Rosealee do. Because Rosealee put up one youth we always dep on him live, a DJ, a freestyle and them something they put up him and him pitney and say some real messed up things. You see me I say, and the youth confront Rosealee about it and then I go hear what go on. So we're gonna get in all of that my people. So we're gonna kick it off with Dan them.
Go down. That is it, Jen. That is blood clot. Destiny time up, man. Destiny them have 200 people watching these last days. RT met hotter than female. You feel that class RT are back RT right now.
And which night? Which night?
Either your class him or back him. Him we are beat now. Beat him with the leather blood clot Bell Treasy. Make him more blood clot. Say God is good. And God do not leave this world without a witness.
You see Thursday night, you say right now, he better if he say if he lay down in the casket at the right place for him right now.
So you have to make them feel. You can't make me feel so. Lie don't hurt. Lie don't hurt. Truth does. That me I tell you now. Lie don't hurt. RT
people live.
She be to sue him and she be this RT up wicked. Me not ask. All him think him could have team she be with lion. You're crazy.
Listen. Everything when I look for him market it.
She be with you married me.
Supposed to do.
But she be with you married me. Look in that look. She bad done out. The way you chase clothes. She bad empty. You can come class. You can be my first class. Me thank you for class. Yo.
Jeez. So my question, with all of this I go down, so what happened to TikTok liar? She wasn't some big liar. Eh?
I don't care. Me not care about she. I mean about she.
They're my liar now. Me I use her for my case now.
You know, say me be not see her and me I wonder if I
oh, them fear use any video. When time bigger things than any video blood clot talk. Them are trying everything in the world for black out the business. Guys make we beat them. Who say beat them type hashtag beat them.
RT.
Oh, just write hashtag beat them if you beat them. I look like say they beat them.
You did overbleed. You did overbleed.
They can't over.
Yeah, we have TikTok liar, TikTok police, TikTok patrol, and TikTok.
Me never know she know.
TikTok instigator. I have a different type of TikToker.
I have TikTok instigator.
You have TikTok.
No, the one dance a fear. Dance a fear liar no. Some me say for the one with it over bling.
Yeah, no one TikTok liar they on TikTok.
The bomber right.
I want TikTok liar the money, did it?
TikTok liar we speak his spoke and TV people money and something like them belly.
She know no money never run.
So all them I said, people them run cloud news boy.
They don't say false news ever. So remember, I know them they're gonna do a deal and the deal nobody go on. So the excitement was about. Remember, say RT bring out the excitement and everything. Excitement was about say who go buy computer for ready for work and then he work nobody go on. So it's like you don't get a contract for say all right.
RTD have to get a bring down still in be too much.
You know what? I mash up TikTok liar and bling.
Yeah, because me the kind of like her info. That's why I wonder how many see she run out and like she the always have the knowledge to stay rated and all place.
What kind of knowledge she can lie there? If she didn't have knowledge, she should have known something done surround she. What kind of knowledge?
She did got bling back, not lie. She did got bling back. Yeah.
She did got bling back. She did.
Yeah, she did. I must say something too. What you notice about Bella? You notice
I'm bling alone now. Because Uncle RT and bling alone left now. You know, everything RT mash up. Everybody Uncle left it to them.
Alright, what you notice about Bella? You remember Bella? That's the Bella way in the red. You remember say you saw him try if he turn Bella against bling now, friend Bella.
I not try him.
Nice.
Him not try him do it.
Him turn Bella against bling. I know I'm Bella in his corner. And dirty man, me I tell you say germs.
Listen, the man is a blood clot controlling freak. And that's a problem. You see if him say he can't control you, nah work with you.
Some people wanna hear what she say and at the same thing RT did I do with Spice too, you know. Yeah man, the same thing. Maybe that's one of the reasons why Spice left and around him. You see me? Because if you don't hear when him talk about Spice and what him do for Spice and who him have to run from around Spice and all them something there, it's like him want to be the person with that Spice foot right through and you know what I mean, run with anybody where I look like them want to get into Spice too much. Whenever hear when him talk about Spice man where Spice used to have not the baby father, you know, and next man seeing when you hear what him say him do and whatever all the man things them him fling out a Spice place one bag of something him talk but me no wanna think me people me could get night somewhere.
Everybody is a big individual.
Yes, him take Bella from over bling. I know I've
Listen, nobody take Bella. Bella was a last soul. Bella was a last soul. Bella love hype. Anyway, the whole crowd Bella not. Trick Bella. You see them here? Come here. You see them viewers here? Natural. You see them people over there, so it's very much natural.
I know.
You see them viewers over there, no natural. Them have to buy viewers. You know they put me live and me provoking more than one time too, no. They buy viewers and then buy the back them for come spam people chat. Believe me, no man.
You have to know
nobody not really like them. You see if you had 1,000 people over there, and 15 people pan for them side. God has me witness to blood clot.
Your mama me said this.
1,000, believe that shit. Don't mind
a lot of people follow her. Blink, may I be honest. She get more support on TikTok than Instagram.
That about she.
Good afternoon, Miss Dan. I think about it. I say 3 years ago, Spice never answer RT boss. And the one time now she ready for answer me want sue her. When the woman ready for answer him, then want him to talk about sue.
But we are talking about that for all of the sue people when you disrespect everybody where you want sue.
That's sue they not
so kind of problem side you be. So people who want to deal with man like you.
And that me I say, you want to bring down people, but people have to bring you down back.
So you feel like you have the most old? Me have more old than you, baby. So me have a show you that
right question, you know. You not ask the right question. The question is 4 years now. him a right Spice Rhythm, one highlight. No Spice
You
him
can
highlight.
talk it on this blinga live.
We said that.
Him
But
talk it on blinga live one day say him African Spice name. I saw him make him money. Him get
There
him
are so
reading.
much people in Malone. I go see.
Highlight. Why am I run for liar? No highlight you want. No, he get the highlight.
Hello, him a run for liar for we stop talk. Come on.
Want he make me stop talk?
He can't make me stop talk.
Me broke out ugly. Someone there when I sue me with.
And that I want him do. Try sue me, cause sue for blood clot sue. If you sue me 5 million, me I sue you 5 million.
I me like Spice now, no would have bash him.
Learn that.
Because him can't manage Spice.
You make me traumatized. That's about them beat me every minute. You know, my trauma for the building.
They want hear man bring a this man, but them a ball and them now make no money from Spice. Bring that
me and the crew know say me get whole heap of beating down at Jamaica. It make me run come here. So when you ever tell me for media say oh them beat me and do me, you feel like that, right? Come make you sue me and make me sue you back, my love. I must like you, cause anybody first the police lose and that you do.
Jeez, you don't think so him straighten your case more when he do that?
Oh, you mean if he straighten my case? I don't pay that.
Him straighten your case
more than one way, me say, me live in a state of New York and who in America know the laws, know say, right now, from how much year, 2 years ago, you can't call nobody, no immigration for nobody in that state here. Cause that's a blood clot crime.
That's a crime.
You don't know who them a try trick about go home and go in and
you know what? No, look at them not saying nothing. Say Artina like woman. You notice I be a woman in bring down.
Me you know one trick. You never have to set me up when me get in trouble and then police come pick me up and me nah go nowhere.
He might go both ways.
How that I go.
Apple. Are you say
fucking idiot.
Blinga a kick when RT a kick when Bella from Blinga. If I used to say no go so yesterday on Royalty Life, Bella talk out her mouth say she never know Blinga art. She was always a royal family and a RT make she go over Blinga Life. So she say, but a Blinga Life me know she from. She say over there she always go. And Blinga wasn't really her friend. It was always RT's her friend.
Okay, she have a fight then. She have a fight because I remember say if Blinga even block you and you go on RT live, you still gonna see two of them same way. You understand? So if she was a RT fans,
she said she never really liked Bella.
The only way she see the live and if RT and Blinga
family.
Okay.
Yeah, so but at the same time, she over Blinga push up in a Blinga door. And Blinga said to RT, say, RT, tell them so they can't talk to me because me now look.
Yuck.
See him so RT, Blinga.
No girl no give me them rubber and cold shoulder, them the freezing shoulder that you can't give blood clot me. You're crazy. Alright, so when me deal with the bam gun and bust that cute. I'm ever life, you only one know send me a banana and to blood clot. As you diss me, jump on my life and leg on my blood clot 32 them.
You thought that, because I never know say a RT make she do over there. I didn't think of Blinga. So
yes, that she say a RT make she go over there because
oh, so she a RT link for a long time, but people, enough person, me say go over Bling and RT boss make them and Bling mash up. You see me I say because when RT boss talk, you know, I saw it have to go, you know. Yeah man, all when you know see him and Bling cuss and sitting. If you see them a cuss today, tomorrow them good again. You see me? And anything RT boss say, that goes over Bling all when them not deal. All when them say them not deal. You see me? So, it make me know how to think my people.
She never know Blinga. She said she don't know Blinga from nowhere. She see RT live she used to depend and when she see RT I go over there she start over there.
That means like me know where that say she run back RT. That means she was a RT fans from before.
Right. And she said total one mouth.
I get you know.
Bella
them a voodoo dolly from you see Bella, you see Obe and Bella. Them no got church. When them got church, them got church, look man.
And then
Bella them a gospel grinder.
Nothing but a true because she not like Spice because Spice is lie and Spice is cunning.
Listen, them is just enough. She have never been friends with Spice, so how the fuck she if you know how Spice we stay? Nobody can tell you about nobody when them and them are a friend and them tell you nothing good. So cut that shit out of here, ugly Bella. You need to fix up your face. You need to wash off your face as if you can get a baby smooth bottom look. Try it.
Lady and she will run out a text artist side and come at this up Spice. Like
Lady and favor goddess, no blood clot.
Lady and need to go deal with the halitosis in her blood clot mouth and take out Spice name out her thinking mouth.
All of these old people.
Lady ass, lady ass, me blood clot. What do my name again? Lady ass and cause that in my mouth for call. Lady and is a one eat one that the whole and after 8 pound Spice cause Spice boom it up to the blood clot top.
Lady Ann.
These people are some hateful.
One Lady Ann or a Lady Grabber. One is a Lady Ann and a Lady Ann.
Lady Ann, she's up on the live, of course.
The Lady Ann who used to sing. Not the lady who used to sing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Even though me and her daughter cool over Instagram, but she cute now.
So Lady Ann run out. The Angel run out, Maka run out, Shelly Cooler and run out, everybody run out from the one song, but wait till the part
RT Bassem, she might give Lady Grabber 200,000 for write her Spice.
Anytime the part 2 drop a problem.
These people are really obsessed. Obsession is really a thing, you know. But they think I can go white people mad and be obsessive over somebody. My God, RDD, you need to stop it.
To show you, say a true RT, Spice attack, say if I can come out here, the Batman, the girl, can't tease them.
Wow, I think then take down her page.
RT can't stop obsessed with Spice. He can't stop, you know.
Nothing that RT though can't frighten nobody not afraid of him, nothing at all. Him just a do this, everything when I do is for try to take off shame off him face or try to distract what is going on. So me not even pay him no mind with the extra things that when I do. It don't make no sense. Yeah, try intimidate, you go send one cheese, you go sue this one. Everybody you want to sue. You but thinking about the gorilla woman over there about no one house.
What will get house?
Them have to go sue the whole TikTok because me have recording a video upon them. As Spice sister them go for.
But Spice don't have no big sister. That's the first lie him tell.
We don't know who that the person is. She name Mary.
Spice don't have no big sister. Spice is the big one. She have a small
Spice
sister.
is the bigger. But Spice talk a story. That's why them.
So when him Spice
is the bigger one for all of them.
She don't have no big sister.
She is the bigger one for all of them.
She is the bigger one for all of them.
You see, she saw me. I tell you no, the people have master
man just lie and wicked.
Master fabricator.
Hey, quiet 1 minute there. Yeah.
Wicked girl Spice, why you do it? Why you do it, Spice? You see, you come run out and you come jump into something that you don't know about. You don't have any concrete evidence. You see what's reaching you now? But me know you love to talk so nobody can sue you, but you'll see. Do it, big up your damn self. Queenie and Dewey, big up your damn self. Because now, Dewey, you have alliances. And we're going to stand by you because you see what she's trying to do to you now because you have the guts to come out and speak the truth. People, Dewey came out and clear RT Boss name of the allegation. Dewey was on the phone when all this was being planned. Momo planned this because she claimed that she was defending Dewey. How you know RT, most RT, you know, throw a little stone pan Dewey. So she claimed that she was defending Dewey. So Dewey came out and speak. Dewey come tell me, oh we go. Dewey say a plan, them plan he was on the phone when he was coaching the little boy to say it. People. Do you know why Spice is so bitter against her baby father?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are following the story, but Lal, Spice's baby father, is the one that came out first and tell us that RT Boss is Spice life coach, Spice advisor. Yes, she didn't want anybody to know that RT Boss was the one that advising her, was her life coach, holding her hand through everything, because now you can see for yourself, now that RT Boss is not advising her no more, you see she's doing all kind of rubbish on the internet.
And when yes,
yes, people, that's the reason why she's so bitter against her baby father. Right now, I don't know if she hates the baby father more how she hates RT, her life coach. RT was Spice's life coach. RT was the one that advising her how to conduct herself. And people don't forget, you know, I say,
so why can't coach female life? Why female life so messy?
Proclaim queen. And now we see that she's not behaving like a queen. So once again, big up yourself, Dewey and Queenie, for the selfless act that you have done. You do the right thing as a human being. You come out and you speak the truth. Spice, if you go down. You understand? Come tell the people them why you hate your baby father, because of him first come out and ball out and say
majority of we hate your baby father. Spice won't be the first and she won't be the last.
People are troubling you and people are bringing you down. You bring down yourself. You bring down yourself. You could jump and speak of something that you, as a big artist, that's defamation of character. You come out and say this 15-year-old boy that you know nothing about. This been going on since November. Because you are so bitter, and want vengeance against your baby father and RT Boss. So you jump into something that you don't know. But I hope you could handle it. You claim that people can't sue you, but you'll see. I urge you to refrain from saying anything else about RT Boss.
Alright, some people, me know what I think in the comment section. We're going to watch about a minute more of this, and then me are going to make you hear the bring down, you know what I mean, where Destiny, you know what I mean, a push pan do it, you see me, because Destiny and this youth here where come out and say do it whatever. Cause I remember one thing where them did attack, say Dewey did a link with some swimmer around and him take them things and them end up hold lamp on him, and you know what I mean. Yes, so that youth here is like, I think he must say him are one of the, I think he must say him are one of the youth them, the swim around youth them, and him and Dewey. You not go hear where him attack some people, because him talk already on down live, you know, but him come back this time with Destiny, because it's like when him talk, like the people them are say no go so, because like nobody no know ya, you don't have no proof nor nothing. But guess what, him carry Destiny, you know, if he say Destiny are the person where I go, you know what I mean, back him in it and say whatever. But the internet knows that Destiny a big dirty liar. So make we hear what him say, my people. We are going to watch look more of this and then we hear what him say.
Your ex-life coach, advisor, it's not going to be pretty for you. Why you do it, Spice?
RT did it.
Come out and tell the people them say you hate your baby father because him come talk say RT was the one advising you. Yeah.
What is wrong with this puppet?
Why you do it?
How RT do?
Why you do it?
Put something in her back and make she come out. All of them over there walking zombie now.
God and time.
Bella, your mouth smell think like you get up this morning, not even brush your teeth and wash your face. And your dentures are drop out to your
Spice
blood
do
clot
you?
mouth.
Yeah, what
What do
Spice
them
do you?
thinking nasty
But
dirty
I never
people
say
here?
what can just but do it.
Hey, Bella, hey, a long time Bella do this, you know.
A dirty
The
man.
woman, you never hear
Papa with Spice.
Amari did say
Yeah,
Bella did over there.
because
Over here alive, I give her gifts for long time. I must
Yes, remember
and them
Bella.
out her crutches.
Bill shoes.
That's Bella is a germs.
Ayo, stop.
Remember Bella used to do over Amari back in the days when Amari did they on Facebook. A years Bella walk around and go on
Bella
people
is a
platform, you know.
rejected soul, so anywhere she get accepted, she stay there like a green lizard.
A years Bella do this. She named Belinda Watson. Remember from over Amari, she named Belinda Watson. Remember she used to send Amari money.
Amari did came out and say that.
Well,
Alright, so see the one here with Destiny, you know, and the youth, my people, make we hear what them a say. And people, a Spice, baby father did come out and say that for real. Him come out and say, RT boss, a Spice, Obia man. That him come out come say. And there's some people that say, for real, you know? And then after that, RT boss and Spice kick off. So people, if pre everything, you know, Spice and RT boss can still a link, you know, but Spice forget half that half our name where our baby father comes to as RT boss or Obia man, she maybe make it look like say them kick off when them still a link, but you know what I mean, I saw me primo while, but me no wanna think in the comment section. Me could go over to Destiny and this youth, you know.
The first are like them the one last night like cook give away Queen about eat do we eat this and do we eat that? That when me cook get doing 5 times around the clock. What's I like when him smoke?
Yo, first lie that him tell me have to chip in a while ago. First lie that him tell me should have the thing where the woman I say liar, what make you do it, Jankro? Or look and do it. Do we look like somebody would that do that? Do we look like say a beer? Him never. Oh, yo, them people are lie still, you know. But me can watch and hear what him say people. Him even saw right in the blood.
So I don't know what Queenie are talking about.
Before Queenie and him, Queenie can't get up and swear for do it because Queenie don't know do we do before. How can you get up and swear for your man? Like, stop. You don't know what your man doing. You don't know when your man now got work. How much time the man there at a place? You know what I do? Stop swear for man, not because I love him, you have to swear for him. The more swear for him, the more
him could have come out and say, since then there, and him say, I know when them there, before.
Right, before. Long before. Long before.
About 6 years now. So before, I went them in a Jamaica. And when me just come to Switzerland in 2019, Dowey and Queen in the body.
So it come right back around in a circle.
If you take her man and the woman did come to Europe. Stop it in the comment, man. I'm not being discriminate.
Alright, let me tell you why a lot of people did have said something to it. You see, where Dowey go say yesterday now and change everything with RT, you know, so they must say, somebody send him.
Yeah.
But he must say, Cked off. Yeah, that they must say, Dowey go come out and I say, I make no more, they make up a story now, and him come out same time, they must say, this not look right.
But watch you know, Queen a hypocrite. If Queen here when me start the store on Instagram, Queen should have know say I know set up.
Morning, Don.
Me start the store on Instagram, you know. And Queen, as I say, Queen is say me start the store on Instagram already.
Yeah, she said you did mention something about it already.
Yeah, so them should have know say them should have know say that is not a setup.
But the one youth man do we have a friend the youth put you up on Instagram and Facebook was the first time and them something so
hold on, sister. You know the reason why they need a Billy is because let me tell you, she not do social media, she not look close. Too much time I call her, I say come for me live now, him she not do it. Yeah. I saw she tell my friend for years, me and I never fight it.
Destiny. She said she feels safe over Dan. That's why she come. And I believe her too. Because she said she feels safe. And she nervous. Because everybody, some people in Dan, when them are talking, they can't hear nervousness in them.
We can't hear nervousness in them.
Yes. Right. Dan, let me tell her, Dan, one day show, mama. I hear show around things that nobody can tell her what to bring for your show or what kind of case. I love how you angle your show last night. And because I know them alone for shine down. Your thing I go up and do your own table. It's because them can voice their opinion and they feel safe. You're not throwing anybody out your box. You're not bashing anybody. And it's your platform and what you do last night with crown you as the queen. So them vex to everybody and say, Dana, you are the queen of TikTok now because you stand up and hold your grounds. Right. The guy not you know, like I see him come back this man with Destiny Dan and him feel safe. And that's the way all people
never did know me that sleep. So me never know
And then that's the way all people feel when they come on a platform. They must feel comfortable and they must can voice their opinion and come down. If you want them come down, them do them 10 minutes or them 5 minutes and come down. And when you have free lunch, them can stay in the box. Because last night, me hear you tell them say, someone rotate the box and come down and make other people come up and them don't want to do it.
You know what, come out.
Yeah, but control your platform, Dan, because right now, and your platform are the biggest thing for TikTok.
Coming at the box, especially when a topic.
Yeah, them can come and voice them opinion and jump out. Dan, I don't think this youth is telling a lie. She's telling a lie and Destiny come and talk. I know Destiny always have a receipt.
When I talk on Instagram, I don't lie me. I tell us that the year me never know say Queenie come over and say indeed you
know. Queenie mentioned more you last night as well too.
I don't lie me. I tell
you do a good job, mama, and go on their thing and take in the people and make them voice them opinion. Because them are going to vex now, you know. Because choose time come over here so no one attack. Queenie find you, and then through Queenie find you know them upset. I'm vexed. But is this the truth? And them alone want to shine. I'm upset with you because Spice post you. Spice post blame them for the story. Is a problem. Dan, me I tell you the truth, Dan. Him have to come down, you know. Him have to go down because them bring down people too much. And the one time Dan him get him bring down, him supposed to stay and take him beat the man. Take your beat the man and stop running on. Leave the woman live alone. Make the woman make people come and voice their opinion because everybody on TikTok now feels safe. Them can't come by Dan, voice them opinion, Dan not throw them out. Enough time you know Dan watching you, so you're not talking, you know. You allow the people and make them talk because you talk truth and right and them don't like that. So them are going to come out and come speak bad for you. Run a platform, girl. Anybody want to come and voice them opinion, talk them story, allow them to talk them story, Dan, because speech is free for everybody. It's free for everybody. I mean, I don't know why the one of them are coming and click live last night and I go against you just because you stand for your grounds. Keep all your grounds down. Your platform is the best right now. I love all people this she could have come out Storm. I love how you could have come out and said, Dan, this is the place where you feel safe and you come and you talk your truth. Yeah. Your story, you talk it, you don't care what people want to say. And some of these people last night who never believe him, when you see him come with the right person, Destiny. God Destiny ever have a receipt. So that
other more people left to come, other more people who have proved left to come as well.
Because it's not like she tell. She don't, as me say.
I have no reason I can't to tell lie, to company or come tell lie.
I'm have to address this, my love. Everybody know me on TikTok and all I know party so my friend from Jamaica, everybody know me on TikTok. My friend knows me on Instagram long time, have how much viewers and everything. If my friend need a look cloud, should I mean sometimes because as a company live and she not company anti dan, she not do them the something.
I said posting company somebody live.
No, she not even know if you go live.
people, me don't know what to say about Dan, you know, because me did have Dan as a person where, you know what I mean, when I get too involved in a certain things, although when Dan ready, first time, Dan used to beat, you know what I mean, people when them have nothing out there and vice for your opinion. But me no see this person as a person where me can say, you know what I mean, me kinda believe. First them I say him voice sound away. Yeah, it sound like him slow. You see me I say it sound like him slow. You see it? And what him say at the first part when him just start talk, that make me I say no. Nothing no go so. You see me? Although I can't completely say nothing, you know what I mean, but me not to believe what he must say. But more want to tell me what you think in the comment section, people. You see it? Because from destiny involved in it, then nobody now got to believe, because destiny is a person who grown more and bring down people. Everybody argument in more inner. So let me know what you think, make watch some more.
She not even know if it give, she don't know, she not even know if it tap.
Yeah, because we get the amount of people, I may not even know how to go on live. Me not even know how to click live. Nothing.
I to the people. Sometimes when me dey on live, you know, me look like she feel uncomfortable with the on live, you know, cause she not do live. Me I tell if me and Armin, she not do live down. And then the type of people there. Me I tell you, me know a long time, my friend for years.
Yeah. Cause me tell the people then say follow him last night so he go 1,000 live and he still not going, he's still I say him no want.
Dan, my 2 cents from yesterday when me do want come in at the box is when them are saying for the talk or Spanish Town police stations there St. Catherine, if you're not from Spanish Town and you just pass through Spanish Town, if you're from you cannot describe where the station is and how it look. You cannot describe Spanish Town because you're not from there.
You go one time and over 6 years.
You're not going to know how it look or which street or what name. You're not going to know. Just like if me go a mobile.
But Patty, me no come from Spanish Town and have many ways in a Spanish Town.
Exactly. You're not going to know you have whole heap of entrance and exit. Remember, say the station
what
in
about
part
De La
of the
Vegas?
town.
We have De La Vegas. We remember that down here have De La Vegas. We have
You're not going to know where. You're not going to know the station. You're not. And when them say him don't know him name, enough of we there with man, we don't know the man right.
It is in Linstead. At Linstead police station.
Me know Linstead, me don't know how to tell you how Linstead police station.
Me know Linstead, but me never got police station. Me don't know where they.
If you even go already down, you now go remember if you not from certain place.
I'm gonna pass it 100 times already.
You now go know. I'm telling you.
Me don't remember where they. Me know Lindsay, but me don't remember. Me know if they run to the post office, run to the metro. Me know if they run
the entrance. I believe him because you see, no, I know in that look clout when they say go over Judge Roy. You see, if you need the all about, him no move all day. All them say Judge Roy, why him no move.
Don't go over there.
When somebody want clout, then they everywhere.
That's true.
Because let me tell you something. They don't discriminate about Dan life. Let me say something to my friend. I'm going to say this. It's like because they don't come in at the box and discriminate upon Dan life. Some other life we go over there and people discriminate over there.
Move because true. You don't know Dan your right name, Dan. I'm just saying, Dan Reed, if you understand what I say. Our Jamaican go by 10 different names.
Hold on, let me address this because me hear everybody a go around with it and them a share it and a tab with Shamar. My friend is not Shamar. This is not Shamar. She's a trans woman. Shamar is a gay man. She's not Shamar.
Okay, because them that say last
people go back down in our audience.
People in the gay world know her, but I will straight people don't know her because as me say, she not do the internet. She not do the internet.
Don't take me out of
It's not Shamar, guys. It is not Shamar.
Wanna hear? It's not Shamar.
Turn on the camera. Why do I say a Shamar? How are this? You must up on my friend and see my friend picture everything.
Yeah, so them the stuff from last night, but Miss Shamara and then somebody said me pan here and sitting.
You not turn on any camera. Why you tell her to turn on camera for? She don't on the internet. Me not show no picture with me and her when me and her in the snow and they sitting there. She's not Shamar. She sound like Shamar, but she's not Shamar.
Yeah, she said she lives in
time picture
Europe.
this me and her in the mountain. Long time this. She not Shamar.
So guys, all of we say a Shamar, no Shamar. This a storm.
I'm a friend of me and her go to it Saturday, a pride. Do not turn on any camera. If they want to be discriminated, then be discriminated. If you feel uncomfortable when they come by the live, them come off the live. Yeah? All right.
Exactly.
So, Storm, good morning.
Uncomfortable, just come off.
Good morning, Storm. So, I mean, yesterday you said you were going to come back with some proof. So now we know that you're not Shamar. I wasn't one of them who were clear. I don't know who you are, so I would not, no. Anything. But you say you were going to come with some proof to substantiate your claims about Dewey. Your identity is cleared up right now. We should have your witness, which is Destiny. But guys, remember, we're not keeping court around here. We don't keep court over here. We're just roundtable talk where people can feel comfortable to express themselves in the topic. So do not get it confused. Don live is not a court. Don is not a judge. We're just panelists or hosts,
That's a conversation. That's it. A round table talk.
So you said you were going to come with some facts or stuff to substantiate a claim. Is this one of them? Is Destiny one of them?
Yeah, Destiny is one of them as well. Yeah, Destiny is one of them, and I've quite ready as yet because Destiny is the one that just let me know that to come and live and to explain to the people them that he knows what happened and because me and his friends or whatever explain and so forth. So when we get everything in hand, I will come back again.
I remember Nurse Brown, remember Queenie said, said Destiny did call the phone. Destiny did in the same thing from then and how much years ago now,
So people, you could have in our right mind and believe nothing where this a youth ya say. You tell me my people, yo, them people on social media, them take people for fool, Me nah lie, them take people for some simple-minded fool, big man thing, because me don't know no way you can really come on social media with this and people believe all these stuff. Him say him a go for more people, come on. And when him use Destiny as the person who can vouch for him, that are the part when if you did believe, then you have to, when he mentioned Destiny, no say nothing no go so. You see me, I say me not pick up for do it still, but come on, them for stop bring down the youth, or try bring him down. Come on. And it look like say Queen, I say yeah, she this and that and way because maybe I look back something for come back in the spotlight. Maybe at that she and do we want to come back in the spotlight, it look like, because people, come on, when I tell more I think I don't believe nothing what this person I say.
Thank you. Thank you. So many if you tell no lie. Me did talk on Instagram how much years ago, I remember when Queenie go up on her live and say, Destiny I come defend me and I come talk about my man, this and my man that me love. Somebody in Switzerland. So I don't need to be like. It's okay. It's fine.
So we finally
they know everything.
For making people them know.
And if Queenie thought that for sure is no lie. Me never know say Queenie thought that. Me know say the video out there on YouTube, but me don't know how to find the video, but me never know say Queenie did thought that.
Oh. So now you know say Storm not telling a lie. Him say him and him did have an affair. And him never said no when them there. Him said them did have an affair before them there.
Yeah, only know about it too. Only know about it good. That's an only life. Only know about it.
Only know about it. Good. Because only and me, I'm Godlin State, and I'm sitting there when him go for the things
Only know about it. Good. Remember say, me tell
And the
us
police lock him up until we reach Allen State.
I'm gonna tell you one thing, Auntie Dan. Me not sell people's story, especially straight man. So me not put up people's story and him something there. Me you never hear me come on TikTok and tell lie pan no man yet. I don't do them something there. And my friend tell me this long time before Dowey and Queenie there. Long time. Me and the girl is don't talk about anything. Me and her never have an argument yet. Our first friend is me having a Switzerland so long. But me and her never have an argument yet. And she's not the person where it's like how you have a Switzerland girl over here do the drama on the internet and me and them. She not do it. She not as such as she not nasty up on the internet. She post a look of video them, but she don't do it.
Queenie say you call Dowey what day upon live.
No upon live me call him and a prank. As somebody give me everybody made a prank, everybody not coming and call TikTok police too. And attack like a man.
Okay.
And they pan yo, me not do it for true, everybody not see it. Me always see them the prank.
So, and I like say yesterday first that story I come out. That story I did on Instagram already. But the person never
long time
come up front. No. But it dep on Instagram and Facebook already. Say the incident did happen. So he now come own the story and say I film the story.
But me not even know say Queenie did talk, say he did hear the story from me too.
So
that means Queenie not tell no lie, which is some woman who do it, some woman that put them man first and say, you know me never hear this set up first, me I hear it.
Yeah, she said that last night for true.
So him own the story, say him was the person. And I said they have an affair for over 3 months. So and I like say it was a bam and go. It was a 3 months relationship. But because of the incident when it happened, you know, she now realize that the incident.
Not the 2 days before last week. Why no? Why you feel like to come forward now to
because to be honest, I think this is a time and this is the right time to say no, because I know over the years and years, because when it first when Dowey and Queenie first get in touch and O'Neill and see them on the social media, and O'Neill call me and say Storm, he never called me Storm, he called me the name where he know me as, which me not going to explain the name there. Yeah. So he says Storm, I'm sitting there. You know who Mr. I'm sitting at Queenie there. Mr. Oh, the boy where you care from town. The boy where you care from town. And Mr. Oh, that. Cause you know me as a person talk to more than one guy. So he said I'm doing. Mr. Oh, Mr. E, and Ray and Tia and something. So from them time, them I could have come out. I could have expressed myself. I never come out them time because I never comfortable. That was no problem to me or anything. That was a problem or nothing to me. So and then I hear whatever take place with him and whatever.
But suck your mama, she not look up for your blood clot. She tell us she look up for him.
That never sitting there. That never do nothing to me, because me and him never have nothing in common. Me and him stop talk, me not have no feelings for him no more, so me not have no reason for follow him up or nothing. So yesterday, when me I watch sitting there live and him they talk up things them and Ray and sitting and go like him and that type of person, Ray and say. So me start going on my feelings now. At that time, me start going on my feelings. Yeah, so I start going on my feelings now and say, no man do it one bad and sitting.
But me
So no matter no matter how long it is, or when you're just in your feelings or moment, that's the time when you want to pop out or talk what is on your mind.
So people, me tell you already, I'm gonna tell you again, do not believe everything you see on social media. You see me I say, these people come up with things and just come out and do whatever. You see me, do not believe these things you see on social media. You see oh Dan lean sideways look a while and I laugh. Dan no say nothing no go so. But them just do a thing. You see me I say? So just take it as entertainment and left it right there so people. So we are going to go over to Rosealee, you know, and the youth when name King something and other.
Wait a talk, it not talk. Yes, sir. Me not put no allegedly nothing I put up or more put up. Me tired of own up on TikTok. Leave me alone. Yeah. See people, past man come out there and say, Artie, look, you don't hear me, I talk about this or so. But don't even look. A police story alone, me come say, boy, people, but I like, you that the courthouse go. And me say 2 or 3 pound bling and me keep it moving. What about people come out? What about people come out with blood clot story? And me even say something, said 2 and 3 and keep it moving. Me not come here say every day. Say me I make song and me I text it pan people. Me come here for beg. Me not come here for text it pan people. Me not come here for look no clout and highlight after a bad day. No care all if me want to stay bad in the world. Leave me alone. I couldn't yasso. I couldn't yasso. All violence in my input. That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. Let us go there. That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing. That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. Me come here so. Me do my taps and roses. And when me ready. Me come here so me do my taps and roses. And when me ready. Me beg me one and me feel like a cash up. Me not trouble nobody. When you're a person jump out different from one, you know. Listen up, people. 2,000 people there, so. When a person jump off, that different from when you want actually take set pan people. Them the boy there, me realize them actually want take set pan me. Them start it up and them say me nah answer. Them start it up and them say me nah answer. And the first time I do it, now the second, now the especially that boy there. That one BNZ him. But said, them start it up and them say me nah answer. Them start it up and them say me nah, you know how long them a do it? I mean nah answer. Me nah say nothing to my mouth. From before me I rank for number 1, them a do it. I send my matches, I send people over them chat for send come call me. And my name is no friend. I send people over them chat for come type yes sir. Them want a match. Them want I mean Mr. What who them so? I keep on saying who is that? I don't know who is that. Me not gonna away. When me match number 1, them come, send me request, and put up big hippopotamus in the back. But I was like, no. If you not look, I like have somebody. I I don't think that disrespect a person shall ever know so no want to be funny. Because if me not this you, and if me not this you and you are this me, it now go tread lightly with my skull. Because me start off a respect with people. It's if you don't diss me, I will never diss you. Never. Never.
Yo, people, Rosealee have to know, say, you see them youth here, bright like bulb. You see me I say, and them see some money there on TikTok, and them know what them have to do, or them think, say that them have to do, fi get people fi start give them, and them are gonna do it, because them youth here, them this anybody. You see me I say? So Rosealee have to know that. But the youth where Rosealee really this in a way where me I say Jano are the youth where Rosealee put up him and him youth and say what she say about them. Him did sing the song or whatever. You know what I mean? And me not like Rosealee fi take down what she put up. Big woman thing. Take the youth outside, because you wouldn't like nobody put your youth them in a whatever you want them have. You see me? So me feel says she fit take down what she put up with the man and him youth and say. You see it? Because what she caption it as, you know me people, big woman thing, that's very, very, you know what I mean, mess up. If you find the least word for, you know what I mean, express. But me no wanna think people are gonna get in that car. She and the next youth are gonna kick off.
You understand? Don't diss me, me not diss you. If me not in you, no make no say, no, me not playing a match. And me keep it moving. You understand? Me keep it moving. I avoid a lot of uno on this app because I don't like run down cloud. Half a gal, not care where me want to live and no matter where me look like. Me come here so and me have me fan base. And a cloud chasing build my fan base. And a cloud chasing build it. Like when one cloud chasing build phone. Disrespect people build it. I sit here and I put in hours, on top of hours. Like 8, 9, 10 hours, but put in. You understand? And a cloud chasing billet. Me lose whole heap a match before me can start win whole heap a match. Me not chase cloud. That's why me not mix up in a people business. If I go through the 4 years, somebody talk when they want to talk about themselves or whatever, me keep it moving. I don't come here and try to text it on a soul. So why I don't feel like I don't have the entitled to sit on a platform and disrespect me like that. And then you come talk about, oh, you went too far, and you should have said that. And kids are say anything what I want to say. Because remember, I'm never trouble you know. Bear it in mind, the people are going to sit down and type under the screen card later or next week or next month or whatever. Me never trouble none of them. Simple. When I make the post, I say King Dana over there. Dana would do we want him. No Donia. I Donia. What you want him? You as a man, why you never tell a friend him to leave Rosealee alone? Because she not trouble you know. Eh? Why you never say, why people, I don't feel like saying no. Come out and come style people, you know. Come out and come style people, I go win, you know. But when we type, I go talk about this and that. Me no want to hear that. Ambitious me there. Me know I'm a mixed up girl wonder. Me know. Me know. Me know I'm a mix up. That's why when I write the post, I tag him in night and him friend. And show him say I can go dirty. That's why when I do the post, I tag him and I tag him friend. I'm not leave it on Mr. Seat here. And I told me no number said name, because I write up all of the something of them. Maybe not tag him night too. I go and post it up till you can't stop get post. Me sorry pink wall can repost it. I God no. You know what highlight, you know go and get it. You go and get highlight. Highlight when I look you know go and get it. Me say, me no do so much for attention. I'm straight to God. Me I go give you it. Yeah. Don't take no set for me. Yeah. Me sit down in my one dark room with my background. Not ready for change yet. Me not trouble nobody. Me come here. Me buy taps and roses. And me do me. Me not trouble no one. Me not take the set for nobody. You understand? Me not take the set for nobody. Me not trouble no one. The wall of uno come, I take set for me not take set for uno. Me no know uno. Me there so long enough, when I been through gifters, gifters come and gifters go. Me never come as to come trouble no uno. Me never come as to come and try to take clothes that I uno. If me big and stable and shape bad, one question, one thing me say, leave me alone. Don't trouble me. Because I say like on a class or a dog, give my feelings too, you know. It's just that I'm not going to say nothing. But when no feel so when you come out and talk things about people, them not have no feelings. You understand? World dog have feelings too. It about him just ready to come talk. Everybody have feelings too. You understand? Undo some things where I better this boy to come out and try make a song and big up. You know them stupid. If you don't want a boss, I better they try come out and make a song. I big up two people. So when World Dog hear it, when World Dog hear it, Swissley hear it, even me hear, we have to chat that. That you talk this song goodie. It doesn't matter if you can't DJ. You make an effort and you big up two people. Why can't I make this song ambitious? You ever go up on it for you, go look if you see it. You come out here and make two songs and you try to big up people. It better off for you. It better off for you. Go look for him name, I don't know him name. It better off for you. You make two songs. Roll that ear and people hear they big up two people in it. It better.
Rosealee, you have to know this. Everybody will forget where them want reach different. You might not do what them do. You see me I say, but you do something for reach which part you reach. You see me? So everybody now go take the same way where you take for reach where them a go. You see me I say, everybody I go do what them think I go get them there. So at that them youth ya I do. You see me? And you have to discuss them if you don't like it, or just allow them, make them do what them think say I go get them there. You know what I mean? Sometimes it I go get them there, sometimes them not go reach nowhere. Cause people I go just shove them one side and I don't want to deal with them because them feel like say disrespect. I go get them what them need for reach. But make we hear you know people, the youth and Rosealee and what go on with them, because I tell you say them kick off, so make we get in that now.
Leave me alone. it hurt my feelings. It hurt me. It hurt me and it hurt me. I don't care. You're going to pick up for your friend. Why you never say him shouldn't say all the way him say?
Me don't know him, you know.
You don't know him?
No.
Are you still on the 4-way with them a laugh?
Me only cry when girl bun me. All when me get bun. All when...
Are you still on there laugh?
What me fit do?
Oh! You stutter do. You know, like you make up if you say. Make up if you say, man.
Me not make up what me say, girl. Me I tell her say, all the time, me cry when girl bun me. And the bun back me I go ball for man and sing song for.
So why you couldn't be a man? No man in you?
We are talking.
Let me ask a question. Why you couldn't be a man and say, brother, love the girl? Because me have mother, and me have sister, me have auntie.
By the amount of time people, all them tell me to suck my mother too. So we are.
You know listen to what me I say, no?
Yeah, so to yourself, me not have mother. So me I try to show you say,
you don't like somebody. Alright, you don't like somebody.
Tell me to suck my
mother.
mother.
No, me ask you, listen.
Yeah.
You don't like a man sing a song and this your mother wicked?
What me I do about it? What me try to build a song and this.
That you justify the story. I'm asking you.
No, you know what?
Like?
If me cannot build back a song for this mother, me not gonna bring in Pitney in a hit. Everybody know people tell people to suck their mother and that other people ready to pick up it. But when a man now DJ a couple songs and with the on internet and we are shutting on up, I know you're gonna bring up thing that youth, it that not right. And you see if you're not seeing yourself.
But body shaming is right. So I'm gonna ask a question. One thing was a King Donna. Me not smart Pitney.
Then Rosealee, you're not big, no wheel, no blood clot. You're not big.
You are just like them. And you're justifying your friends. Because you sit there and you listen to it. This conversation is over.
You're not business.
Okay, bye. I don't care either. Bye.
Bye too.
Turn about the comments, we're going to play the match with the Royal Dog. I don't see him. Tell him for come. Tell him for come. Man, them I same thing. I'm friend them, so when I go talk, and he's a part of the package. Eh? How him? Me not see it. Me not see it. Me come just got so I add him, come just got turn on my own. It's a live with guests. No, me just free it up. But just free it up. No! You don't have to ask me that. I don't know how it keep on a send me invitation off. I don't know.
Some people, after that, the G end up black Rosealee. You see me, and the people them come over, they come tell her and thing. You see me? But where you expect this man to stand up for you and this man don't know you? You see me? I say, them the youth, the way him there with a regular him and them, you know what I mean, they're on live and them a do them thing. You see me? If it funny, him a go laugh. After him never say nothing about you. So we have a problem with this man when I know him say nothing. The man just I tell you say what you do. You know what I mean? Put up the man thing and him youth, you're wrong. You see me I say? But me know what I think my people. Right here so me I go end it.